Welcome to our video on how to view your likes history on Instagram. With the latest update, Instagram has made it easier than ever to see all the posts you have liked. Follow these simple steps to access your likes history. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Once the app is open, tap on your profile picture, located at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines also located at the top right corner of the screen. This will open a menu with various options. Scroll down and tap on Your Activity. This will take you to a page where you can see all your recent activity on Instagram. Finally, tap on Likes. This will show you a complete list of all the posts that you have liked on Instagram. You can scroll through this list to see all the posts that have caught your interest. And that's it. You now know how to easily view your likes history on Instagram. Keep in mind that this feature is only available on the Instagram app for Android devices. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.